Don't plug your power cord into 240 volts if it looks like this. I'm Russ, and I'm going to explain to you the difference in some simple power cords here, and hopefully this will save you some time and money. This power cord here is 120 volts. You might not think that, but this is. This is a 120 volt, 20 amp power cord. When people think of a 120 volt power cord, they think of this. And this is very, very common. But this is a 15 amp configuration. So don't get confused. This is a 20 amp 120 volt. People will get confused and think it's 240 volt. They put it on their product, they plug it into 240 volts, and it blows up. This is what they're confusing it with. This is a 240 volt 20 amp. You notice it's a mirror image. 120 volt, 240 volt. That's why people get confused. And they get these mixed matched. It's a common mistake, and I'm hoping that this is going to clarify to other people why you don't want to do this. This is what I have here for reference. You see, the 120 volt 20 amp is like this, where they're perpendicular. Again, not to be confused with these perpendicular ones here on the 240 volt 20 amp. So be aware of that. If you have a power cord like this, you will need to plug it into a NEMA 5-20R receptacle that has been properly wired to the proper breaker. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this has been helpful. If it has, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click the bell for notifications.